Hello and welcome to Verzeo's YouTube channel. The webinar for today is on RPA UI part tutorial for beginners. So the instructor for today's webinar is Mr. Ravi Changle, who is a very well experienced data scientist. Sir, over to you.
So you can see that I'm leading to a particular website which is all about uipath.com and how exactly we can automate the things out there. I'll share with you all the nitty-gritties of it. I'll also discuss robotic process automation. So UiPath and RPA, please consider they are different things. RPA is basically the entire process and the approach, right, of automation. Robotic process automation we call it. And UiPath is just only a kind of a supplement to this. I mean the kind of service to this. So it's a kind of a software wherein we can process all this kind of robotic activities. So I'll discuss the definition and all. Let's come to this website and you can try UiPath free here. So I'm sharing this link. I have already shared the link. Please come up here and try to register yourself for there so that you can practice along with me. Meanwhile, you'll be getting certain workouts over there. You will be getting a system file. So I think you can directly work out on that. So we have got your Studio X, Studio Pro. There are so many kind of activities over there we can use UiPath for. So we have got UiPath Studio, we have got UiPath Enterprise, we have got UiPath Robotics. So there are different applications of UiPath. One by one, we'll disclose and discuss everything. You can register yourselves on UiPath. Once you register over there, you are able to get the system file. Just run that. We are on the website right now. All right, so you can just scan first of all the solutions, and you can see that the product which we have from UiPath are in the discovery phase, that is process mining, task capture, task mining, automation hub. We also have the building tools, that is UiPath Studio. I'll be showing the demonstration on the UiPath Studio. We have got Studio X, which works on the citizen developers, and then we have got the orchestrator to manage, monitor, and optimize your solutions. We have got automation cloud even. We have got robots to run the process, and we have got the action centers wherein you can engage yourselves, right? And you can see when I put something here in the and I'm going to have the start over there, that's UiPath. So there are two products, UiPath and Studio, and the UiPath Robot. We'll begin with the UiPath Studio first. So you can launch your UiPath Studio.